Hello friends and welcome. Today we're making kombucha. We're going to make this tea and we're going to improve our digestion, improve our gut, maximize microflora so we can digest food better, so that we can sleep better. Your gut, it is the most important part of your body. Okay, let's get into it. So this is where we're going to make our kombucha, but first, let's clean up. The first thing we're going to need is a drink dispenser or just a very large jar. 10 tea bags, and we're also going to need our SCOBY. 1 cup of sugar. We're also going to need 4 liters of water.
If you have loose leaf black tea, you can make the conversion by adding 1 tablespoon per 4 tea bags. And I'm choosing to take the tea bags out and just use the tea because apparently there's a lot of microplastics in tea bags and that can cause hormonal imbalances.
Take this pot in, allow that to cool. Okay, I'll see you soon. And she's slippery.
Oh, that's a satisfying sound, isn't it?
Yes, definitely.
What's happening here, Carrie?
We're making kombucha.
Kombucha. Oh, this is going to make a splash. Oh. Oh.
Perfect.
Right.
And now she'll grow.
She'll grow. Okay.
Oh no, don't shut the lid. You gotta put this back on.
Ah, the cloth.
You gotta
So it can
let
breathe,
air.
right?
Yeah, you gotta let it breathe.
Got a lacquer band around it.
Yep.
For all those Americans who are watching, lacquer band
A lacquer.
is an elastic
Be
band.
the lacquer band.
Lacquer band.
And now we'll let it sit in a dark place for 7 days.
A dark place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bye. Hi guys, so it's been 9 days since we've had the kombucha in the closet in the dark and it's been fermenting. We've cleaned the jars and now we're going to put it inside. Online they say that you should leave like 3/4 left on top. It's up to 24 hours, we put it straight in the fridge and then we can enjoy it at any time and it will last for like weeks and weeks. Next we're going to get 1/4 cup of grape juice. We're just trialing this to see what the flavour's like, and if I really like it then I'm going to continue to use it. If not, we can put more or put less in. This is just a bit of an experiment, so it's up to you what flavours you like, how sweet you like things. Yeah, it's all dependent on you, which is really nice. That tastes really nice. fizzy, really nice and fizzy. I can slightly taste the apple, actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, it's really nice. So refreshing. Okay, let's go for the grape one. Definitely a deeper red colour, which is nice. Yeah, so this is definitely grapey. I went over to my auntie's the other night and she made her own kombucha as well. And she just added soda water in. Half, and it tasted amazing. So that could work as well. This isn't as sweet. It's just like more subtle. And I think for someone who doesn't like strong flavours maybe. I've also heard you can try lemon. You can just add lemon before you put it in the fridge. Pomegranate, berries. My auntie makes a lot of berry kombucha, which is really tasty as well. Yeah, just experiment and have fun with it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like. Yeah, if you like it, subscribe and like. I'm just gonna sit and enjoy this very overcast day and do some reflection and gratitude as well. And I hope you can get a chance to do that today because yeah, it's important every day to reflect and be grateful for everything we have because yes, everyone has their blessings, everyone has their curses, you might say, but gotta look for the good things. So let's keep looking, guys. Bye bye.